Hey, Vinny, is that your lucky song? That's too bad, because it's Christian's too. And theirs. And don't trust those lucky boots. They're not gonna score on their own. But you know what you can trust? Sweat. Moves like this aren't magic. They're muscle memory. Vinny's crazy skills aren't just instinct. They're reps. And Julian, he doesn't run on rocket fuel. He runs every single day. In soccer, you can't just use cheat codes and make it to the national team. And hey, hold up. You can't just fake sweat. You gotta earn it. And that is why Gatorade created the #1 proven electrolyte blend to fuel it. Cause sweat can take you where shortcuts can't. Even here. So if you're looking for something to trust what's inside. Is it in you?